Okay, we are here on page 526. 526. 526. Can you find that page? Now, we're going to do the first one together here because we have to write something. Not number two. Let's do number one together. You all there? Can you read the direction? Let's do it together now. Write the time on this clock using words. Write and time both have a long I, magic E. I. Write time. Write the time on this clock using words. Okay, we could just say 6:15, right? But I think what they want us to say is they want us to think how the clock can be divided into 4 quarters. Quarter, 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 quarter. So there is 1 quarter has gone by. Remember, 6 o'clock starts with the little hand on the 6 and the big hand at the 12. That's 6 o'clock. But the big hand has moved to the 3. It's gone 1/4 of the way around. So we say quarter. That's the word quarter. Past. It's gone past. It's passed by. Quarter past 6. We'll just put the number 6. Quarter past 6. You could say quarter past 6 or quarter past 6 o'clock. But we just say quarter past 6. Sometimes instead of saying past, we say after. Quarter after 6. It's a quarter after 6. This is a quarter. A half is all the way to the 6. That's halfway around. This is a quarter way around. This is a quarter before the next hour. Sometimes we say a quarter to or a quarter before if the big hand's at the 9. But the big hand's at the 3, so it's a quarter past 6 or a quarter after 6. Okay? Try this one by writing the numbers. Read the problem first and then write the numbers. I'm not going to tell you to pause. Shouldn't take you too long if you remember how to count money, right? We've been working on that. Of course, first of all, you have to know what the coins are. Which coin is this? It's a really big one. It's a quarter. And it even says it down here, $quarter. A dollar is 100. A quarter of that, if you divide it into 4 equal parts, a quarter of it would be what? 25. Did you remember that? A quarter is 25. What are these two? These are dimes. They're tiny. They're even tinier than pennies. But they're worth more than pennies. They're worth 10. So you have to add 10 to 25. Now remember, 25 has 2 tens. So if you put another 10, it's going to have 3 tens. It's going to be 35. Right? And another 10. It even says dime. What's that? 45. Now this last one's a penny. A penny is one more. What comes after 45? 46. How do we write it? Like this. 46, and we put a little C for cents. We put a line through it. 46 cents. Okay, try to write the numbers for the time. Go ahead, read it. And then try doing this one too. Do both of these, okay? They're pretty simple. Especially if you've been following the lesson, you should know how to tell time. Do both those on the bottom, number 3 and number 4. Okay? You don't have to pause it. If you're going to take long, you should pause it. But if it's pretty easy for you, just try it on your own. Okay, you done them both? What time is shown on this clock? Which hand do we always do first? The little hand. It tells the hour. What is the little hand saying? Well, it's past the 7, but it's not at the 8. It's still 7. That's the hour. Now we're going to do the big hand is the minutes. We don't put 3. The big hand counts all these little minutes. Those are little minute lines. But you don't have to count them all. You can just remember 0, 5, 10, 15, 7, 15. This is also a quarter past 7 or a quarter after 7. 7:15. That's 15. Remember, this one's 30. That's 15. This one over here, 3/4. That's 45. How about this? If you can read it, you can write it. What number can be written as 600? Uh-oh. Somebody's here. What are you doing here? 647. Hey, stop jumping around. 647. Adelina's here, the bad girl. Wait, you can say hello. Come here.
Ow!
Oh, did I hear you? Come here. Can you? Oh, I can't see you. There you are. Wait, let me see you. Where's your head? Where's your head? I can't see you. There she is. Say hi to the camera. Look up here at the camera. You gotta look here. Come on, stop moving. Say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
I didn't say yell hi. Do
Hi.
you know how to tell time, Adelina?
Yeah.
No, you don't. It's time for you to go back in the other room and leave me alone. Hey, that's not nice. She's not a nice girl. Oh, yeah? How old are you?
Good.
How old are you?
3.
3, that's right. Yep, you actually got it right. Okay, we'll give her an applause here. Yay! Now get lost. Goodbye. Goodbye, little one. Okay, goodbye. That's good. Goodbye. If you go away, I'll get you a donut. She got a donut in the bakery today. I give it to her. She keeps bothering me. Okay, here we are. There's the one here. AM and PM. AM. What is AM and PM? Well, the hour hand goes all the way around in the morning, and then it goes all the way around again in the afternoon. The hour, not the hour hand, the little one. The big hand, of course, keeps going around and around, like 24 times in a day. The big hand. But the little hand only goes around twice. It goes around once in the morning, and we say AM. That tells us it's the morning. And then it goes all the way around again, and we say PM. In the afternoon, it starts at lunchtime at 12. That's after lunch for us now because we eat so early. And it goes all the way around until bedtime, and then we're in bed sleeping when it hits up here again at 12 midnight. And then the morning hours start while we're sleeping until we get up around 6 or 7 and go to school at 8. Anyway, that's the morning, AM, and the evening, PM. What do we have to do? It says, have children draw a picture and write a label for the picture for an activity that you do in the morning and for an activity you do in the evening. Then have them show the time they do each activity. Okay, what would be a good activity that we do in the morning? Well, we come into school, so let's draw a door. That's if school's open. And here come the kids into school with their book bags. Here's a girl with her book bag. Here come the kids into school. Okay, what time do we come to school? Do you know? We start school at, whoops. I can't do it both. 8:30. But we say AM. Put a little AM there too. Sometimes they put little periods with it. AM. I'm not even sure what AM stands for. AM. 8:30 AM. That's when we start school in the morning. Now 8. The little hand's between the 8 and the 9. Do the little hand between the 8 and the 9. And the big hand's where if it says 30. Down at the 6. That's 8:30. Or we could say 8:30. 8:30 because the big hand has gone halfway around. 8:30, 8:30. That's when school starts. Now, let's be watching TV. You're watching TV. And we're going to say, we're going to be sitting down on a couch. Here's our feet up. We're watching TV, right? And we're going to say 8:30 again. Little hand, big hand, 8:30. But this time, it's going to be 8:30 p.m., which is in the evening, after the afternoon. It's gone into the evening. Almost time for bed, 8:30 p.m. It's getting close to bedtime. So you got 8:30 a.m. is when we come to school, but 8:30 p.m. is when we are watching TV before bedtime. It's almost bedtime. It's dark by 8:30 usually. Usually. In the summer, it might still be a little bit light on some days, but most of the time, 8:30 is pretty dark already. Okay? So we have AM and PM. Remember, the clock goes, the little hand goes around 2 times, once in the morning and once in the afternoon, all the way around. It takes a long time to get around, right? Okay, that's our clocks. Right now, as I'm making this, it says 5 o'clock. I know it must be PM because 5 o'clock AM, I'm asleep. I'm still in bed. But 5 o'clock PM, well, pretty soon I have to go take your folders to your house because it's getting late. That's what I'm going to be doing next. Okay, so that's it. That was a pretty short lesson today again. Not too hard. We'll work more on our clocks and our money tomorrow in school. Until then, guys, be good. Bye.